project Machine Guided Pick and Place Robotic.
I am Pinanush. I am the member of Vision Guided Pick and Place Robotic. So why this project is selected? We have encountered a problem with manually fitting product as it is a very slow process and can lead to delay in the overall production process, and fitting the product by labor is not automated. So industry manually fitting the product. So we identify the solution. Advantage of our project: increase accuracy and precision, reduce human error.
I am Prabhu. I am in member of Vision Guided Pick and Place Robotic. I tell about major components are used in our project. The components are Raspberry Pi 5, SMPS power supply 5 volt 5 amps, L29010 motor driver, solenoid valve, logic webcam, gripper, HMI, vacuum generator, channel relay, and rack and pinion.
I am Bharat. I am member of Vision Guided Pick and Place Robotic. I discuss and explain about our project control panel. We prefer the Raspberry Pi to control our project. Raspberry have 26 GPI go, and we using control the motor. With the uses of L298 driver, we control the two motor, one for rack and pin and another for conveyor. And next we using the one channel relay to give the signal to the solenoid valve. And we prefer the power supply for robotic power supply, SMPS power supply 5 volt 5 amps.
Myself Kishore, I am member in Vision Guided Pick and Place Robotic. I am tell about the working process in the project. First to show the male part and female part. Male stored in stack system and female part stored in fixtures. When press the start button in HMI, first the rack and pinion push the male part to the conveyor, and rack and pinion retract, and conveyor motor on male part move to the detected area, and webcam detect the male part.
I am Esprani. I am pursuing my final year in CP15. Our final year project is Vision Guided Pick and Place Robotic. I am a team member in that project, and my team member has already explained about the project. Now I am going to continue. When the part is ejected from the conveyor, and it will capture the camera, and with the using of mapping data, we have created a mapping sample data to pick the part and place the part. It picks and with using of a section curve, which is controllable by solenoid valve. For solenoid valve controlation, we using a relay for actuating the solenoid. So with the using of relay timing, we will pick and place the male part to female part. This is our finished product. Thank you.